This is a little different video that I normally post about videos, and actually it's been a while, but this is a new video. This is a JBL 710. That's the other one that's plugged into the wall. It's not battery powered, but I bought this battery pack that was on sale at Walmart because I'm cheap. And let's see how much power it draws. See, it's at 100% right now. It is connected. Follow. You can see, plugged in back there. Don't turn it on. And I might connect it to my tablet, that way I can actually, oh shit, I'm dumb. I need to activate this. And it's on. Alright, now it should turn on. And, come on baby. Ooh, is it not able to pick it up? Oh shit, it did. Alright, sweet. No, I don't think it can. Wow, it actually drew way too much power. Okay. So never mind. That battery pack cannot charge this speaker or hold it up. I honestly thought it would be able to, but I guess not. I guess it draws way too much wattage for that little battery pack to handle. And I think this one shows you the details somewhere here. Here it is. So it is AC output 200 rated, 300 peak. So yeah, I guess I thought this was 150 watts operating, so I guess that's why it's maxing it out. But well, that sucks. Let's try it again. Nothing. Oh, give me a red light now. Let's try that again. You heard the fan kick on. Boop. Nope. Right back to red. Wow. So I guess that's why it doesn't kick. Wow. Alright. So that kind of settles it. You need a pretty big, either a generator or a bigger battery pack than this one. I thought this was going to be enough. I think it's 256 watt hours. Guess that's not enough. Boo.